Alright, in this video, I'm going to show you the correct vertical video export settings so you don't get black bars. First, import your clip and drag it to the timeline. Then make sure your video is set for vertical format. If your imported file is already vertical, you don't need to adjust the settings, as CapCut will automatically create a sequence with vertical video settings. But if it's horizontal, like mine, just click outside of your clip in the timeline. Then go to the right side of your screen. You can see the aspect ratio of your video is set to original, meaning the landscape or horizontal 1920 by 1080 resolution. So you need to change it to a vertical aspect ratio. To do that, click on Modify. Then click on Aspect Ratio and set it to 9 by 16, the vertical format. Then click Save. You can change your workspace to vertical to get a wider view of your video. Now to get rid of the black bars, duplicate your clip by holding Alt while dragging it. Then select the clip on the bottom, zoom it in so it fits. Now go to the Effects tab, search for Blur, and drag it to the bottom clip. Adjust the blur value if necessary. If you want, you can lower the opacity of the bottom clip. Now click Export, and adjust your export settings. You can watch this video for the best export settings in CapCut. And that's it. Subscribe for more fast editing fixes like this. Thanks for watching.